Hello children, myself Hema Marwah is going to introduce you the chapter 5 titled Endocrine System. Let us learn about the endocrine system, and some of the learning objectives of this chapter are: what is endocrine system, what is a hormone, what is a gland, and what are two types of gland. Students, in human body, control and coordination takes place in two ways. First is nervous coordination and second is chemical coordination. We have already covered in the class 6 and 7 that nervous coordination is brought about by nervous system. But chemical coordination is brought about by some special glands, and that special glands are called endocrine glands. So in this chapter we are going to learn about endocrine system, types of endocrine glands and their secretion and effects. So the first question which comes in our mind is, what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is a system which controls and coordinates several life processes of the body, such as digestion, growth, and development. In the body of higher organisms, it constitutes the glands and hormones. Students, in the nervous coordination, messages travel in the form of impulses through the neuron. Similarly, in the chemical coordination, messages are delivered in the form of chemical substances, and these chemical substances are called hormone. So, we will know about in this slide what is a hormone. Hormones are the chemical substances secreted in very little amount by endocrine glands, and they regulate the biological processes in living organisms. Hormones are directly secreted into bloodstream and reach their specific organs, and that specific organs are called target organ. So for some more information, I would like to add this information and share this information with you, that the study of endocrine glands and their secretion, especially in the relation to their function, is called endocrinology, and the physicians which diagnose diseases related to the endocrine glands, they are known as endocrinologists. Students, now we will take the next topic, that is characteristics of hormones. Hormones are the specific chemical messengers that help to regulate biological processes in the body. They are transported by bloodstream to different target organs. They are secreted by endocrine glands. Their small amount is much effective for performing various biological processes within the body. They are poured directly into the bloodstream and are circulated around the body. They act on specific target organs. After performing their action, they are excreted by the excretory organ, that is kidney, in the form of urine. Now, the next topic is, what are the differences between hormonal control and nervous control? Hormonal control, it regulates the metabolism and growth of the body, while nervous control does not control metabolism. In hormonal control, response is very slow, but in nervous control, response is very speedy. In hormonal control, effect is long-lasting, while in case of nervous control, effect is very short-lived. In case of hormonal control, it affects different organs, while in case of nervous control, it affects a particular muscle or gland. Hormones get transported through blood to the target organ in case of hormonal control, while in case of nervous control, impulses are transmitted electrochemically through the nerve fiber. Now we will take, what is a gland? A cell, tissue or organ which secretes a useful chemical substance required for a particular function within the body is called a gland. I repeat the definition. is cell, tissue or organ which secretes a useful chemical substance required for a particular function within the body is called a gland. In living organisms, glands are of two types: endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Now we will learn what is an endocrine gland and what is an exocrine gland. Endocrine glands are those glands which discharge their secretion directly into bloodstream, while exocrine glands are those glands which discharge their secretion through a duct into bloodstream. They are duct glands. Now we will take certain examples of exocrine glands. Example of exocrine glands include sweat gland secretes sweat and is located in the dermis of the skin. Salivary glands, they discharge saliva into the mouth cavity. Prostate glands, they produce semen in the males. Gastric glands, they produce gastric juice in the stomach for the digestion of food. Lacrimal glands, they used to secrete tears. Sebaceous gland, that is a small gland in the skin which secretes an oily substance to lubricate the skin and hair. And now the last example of exocrine gland is mucus gland, and it produces a slimy substance used for lubrication and protection of internal surface organs. Now we will take certain examples of endocrine glands. So they are thyroid gland, pituitary gland and adrenal gland. Now in this slide I have shared the diagram of endocrine glands and exocrine glands. So in the diagram of endocrine glands you can see the hormonal secretions that are being directly poured or discharged into the bloodstream, while in case of exocrine glands they are being poured into the bloodstream through the ducts. So here you can see the skin surface is there and it is being connected to the ducts through which the secretions are being poured. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully it will help you to upgrade your knowledge in the biology. Write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.